So here in this two picture you can find out here that this is steel. So steel has been corroded, or you can say that the process, that is corrosion, is taking place. So corrosion of the steel also takes place, as well as the stress corrosion cracking. Here whenever a stress is produced, it causes the steel to crack, and that's why it is said to be the stress corrosion cracking, and it can be abbreviated as SSC. So coming up to the types of corrosion. So what are the different types of corrosion? We can see first one is the oxidation corrosion. So before that we must know that any type of alloys जो होते हैं, they merely when they are exposed to the moisture or air, they used to corrode, and the process can be strongly affected by the exposure to a certain substance. अगर हमने कोई भी मेटल को अगर मॉइस्चर से एक्सपोज किया, या फिर एयर से एक्सपोज किया, या फिर वाटर से एक्सपोज किया, so these environmental conditions, they cause a metal to corrode, and they used to affect this metals at a particular level. So you can say that the corrosion can be concentrated locally to form a pit or cracks. अगर कहीं पे corrosion कोई एक जगह पे फॉर्म करती है और वहाँ पे एक पिट और एक क्रैक फॉर्म होता है, so here you can say that if this is the region in which the corrosion takes place, तो यहाँ पे क्रैक फॉर्म हुआ है, here you can find it, a crack is formed, then it is said to be the pit corrosion. और it can extend across a wide area, एक पूरा wide area से वो extend हो गया है, और more or less uniformly according to the surface के अनुसार वो extend हो रहा है, कहीं ज़्यादा हो रहा है, कहीं कम हो रहा है. As a result, the methods to reduce the activity exposure surface, such as the passivation and the chromate conversion, can increase the material corrosion resistance. तो क्या बोला है कि अगर ये एक्टिविटी को हमें रिड्यूस करना है तो कुछ ऐसे स्टेप्स हमें लेने पड़ेंगे in order to reduce the corrosion. Coming up to the types of corrosion. So here, according to the depth or to which the corrosion is done, according to that it can be divided. So oxidation corrosion, when the oxidation process takes place. Liquid metal corrosion, when they are exposed to a particular metal, then the corrosion takes place, then it is said to be the liquid metal corrosion. Galvanic corrosion, pitting corrosion, crevice corrosion. Here in case of crevice, only a crack is formed due to the stress. Waterline corrosion, stress corrosion, interregular corrosion, erosion corrosion, and wet or the immersed corrosion. These are the different type of corrosion which can be seen. But we are going to discuss only few of the corrosion, because this corrosion itself is a small topic. So type of corrosion, normally first one is the uniform corrosion. So if the uniform corrosion is considered as an even attack across the surface, अगर evenly surface के around attack होता है, then we used to say it is a uniform corrosion. Next, pitting corrosion. Pitting corrosion is one of the most destructive type of corrosion होता है, and it can be hard to predict. Predict नहीं कर सकते हम कहाँ पे corrosion takes place क्या कहाँ पे नहीं. एक pit formation takes place करता है, and it detect and characterize करना खूब hard होता है. Pitting is a localized form of corrosion. एक particular local area में corrosion takes place करता है, in which either a local anodic point or the more commonly a cathodic point forms a small corrosion cell with its surrounding normal cell. So if you see this example picture of the pitting corrosion, here you can find out कि यहाँ पे पिट का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है, and because of that it has been corroded, a pit or gap is formed between the metal. So this type of corrosion is said to be the pitting corrosion. Next is the crevice corrosion. तो crevice corrosion is also a localized form. एक प्रकार का जैसा pitting है वैसा ही ये localized form of corrosion है, and it is usually result from the stagnant micro environment. एक micro environment इसके लिए responsible, in which there is a difference in the concentration of ions between two area of metal. कोई भी दो एरिया के मेटल में क्या होता है, डिफरेंस होने के कारण ही क्रेवाइस फॉर्मेशन टेक्स प्लेस करता है. Next is a stress corrosion cracking. So stress corrosion cracking can be abbreviated as SCC, stress corrosion cracking. And this stress corrosion cracking is a result of combination of tensile stress and corrosive environment. तो उसका स्ट्रेस जो है एंड मटेरियल की एक स्ट्रेंथ होती है, स्टील की अलग स्ट्रेंथ होती है, आयरन की वही स्ट्रेंथ होती है, कॉपर का अलग स्ट्रेंथ होता है. सो दिस टेंसिल स्ट्रेस एज वेल एज द कोरोसिव जो एनवायरनमेंट है ऑफन एट एलिवेटेड टेम्परेचर, ये दोनों कोरोड होते हैं. कब कोरोड होते हैं? एक एलिवेटेड टेम्परेचर के बाद. Galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion, it is the degradation of one metal near a joint or junctures that occurs, or joint बोलते हैं, that occur when two electrochemical dissimilar metals are in electrical contact in the electrolytic environment. For example, when copper is in contact with the steel in a salt water environment. So the corrosion और galvanic corrosion कभी टेक्स प्लेस करेगा जब एक कॉपर एक अलग मेटल है और स्टील एक अलग मेटल है, कि दोनों मेटल को जब हम ज्वाइन करते हैं and when these metals are exposed to the salt water, then the galvanic corrosion takes place. So actually what is done in the galvanic corrosion is that when we join two different metal directly और बाय ए कंडक्टर, जब दो मेटल को हम डायरेक्टली डिफरेंट मेटल को जब हम ज्वाइन करते हैं बाय अ कंडक्टर एंड एक्सपोज टू अ कंडक्टिंग सॉल्यूशन, द मोर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव मेटल जो होता है विल एक्ट एज अ एनोड. ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव मेटल्स जो होंगे दे विल एक्ट एज एनोड, and the metal which is less electropositive होंगे, they will act as a cathode. They will act as a cathode, and due to the flow of current, the metal which is acting as anode, यहाँ पे जो anode की जैसे act कर रहा है, liberates its free electron, ये अपना electron free electron liberate करता है, and its corrosion begin. हर धीरे 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 corrosion takes place करता है, and the corrosion is more if the potential difference between the metal is more. ये दोनों के बीच में एनोड एंड कैथोड के बीच में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अगर ज़्यादा हुआ, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अगर ज़्यादा हुआ तो corrosion ज़्यादा होगा. तो this type of corrosion is said to be the galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion. Next is said to be the, you have heard of it, pitting corrosion. Here pitting corrosion. So when a metal is covered by some water or dirt, the part which is covered has, consider if this is a metal, if this part is covered with dirt or the water, then we can say that कि the part which is covered with low oxygen, जहाँ पे बहुत कम ऑक्सीजन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होगा, acts as एनोड, ये एनोड के जैसे काम करेगा. and the part which is exposed to the oxygen, ये एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो कि exposed to the oxygen, ऑक्सीजन को एक्सपोज हुआ है, and acts as cathode, ये कैथोड का काम करेगा. So the covered area gets corroded. ये जो covered area है वो पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, corrode होगा, and a small pit are formed in it. और यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे pits जो है वो formed होंगे. So this type of corrosion is said to be the pitting corrosion. And here example is rusting. So when this iron Fe2 plus, when they reacts with the 2OH minus ion, it will gives you FeOH twice. Or FeOH thrice. FeOH thrice by means of oxidation. So this is related to the pitting corrosion. Next is the waterline corrosion. So what is waterline corrosion? So waterline corrosion is stored. Now you can say that when the water is stored in a metallic tank, को भी एक metallic tank लेते हैं. Metallic tank में यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, water को store किया है, ठीक है. So when the water is stored in a metallic tank, it is observed that the metal below the water line, यहाँ पानी का लाइन है, इसके नीचे वाला जो लाइन है यहाँ पे below the water line gets corroded. यहाँ के जो metal part है they normally they used to get corroded. Why? Because the water below the water line is poorly oxygenated. ये जो line ये region है यहाँ पे बहुत कम ऑक्सीजन मिलता है, that is poorly oxygenated, and acts as anode के जैसे काम करता है. And the metal above the water line, ये जो region होता है ये cathode के जैसे काम करता है. तो the region below the water line they acts as the anode, and beyond the water line जहाँ पे कि पानी से नहीं भरा रहता है, which are exposed to the oxygen, they acts as a cathode. And hence the corrosion of the metals below the water line takes place. यहाँ पे जो corrosion region है यहाँ पे corrosion takes place करता है. तो this is said to be waterline corrosion. Next is the stress corrosion. So in case of stress corrosion, when the metal undergo process like bending या फिर rolling, etc. We apply some stress on it. जब हम बेंड करते हैं कोई भी मेटल को या फिर रोल करते हैं, then it undergoes certain type of stress, and the area of the metal under this stress acts as anode. ये जो एरिया है जहाँ पे स्ट्रेस है यहाँ ये क्या करेगा, it acts as anode. And the remaining area acts as a cathode. ये part straight है, then it acts as a cathode. तो जहाँ कहीं पे भी बेंडिंग या रोलिंग है it acts as anode, and जहाँ कहीं पे भी बेंडिंग या रोलिंग नहीं है, स्ट्रेस नहीं है, it acts as a cathode. And due to the potential difference set up between the two areas, तो एरिया के बीच में जो potential difference यहाँ पे set हुआ है, potential difference, because of that the corrosion takes place. And the strain normally in the strain portion, that's why it is said to be the stress corrosion. तो जो stress वाला area है वहाँ पे corrosion takes place करता है because it acts as a anode. Next, coming up to the wet immersion corrosion. Immersion corrosion. From the name itself says that the environment is normally the wet. So this type of corrosion occurs when the metal is immersed in liquid. ये जो metal है, this is immersed in liquid. लिक्विड में इमर्स्ड होता है फॉर ए लॉन्ग पीरियड, बहुत टाइम के लिए. इन दिस टाइप द लिक्विड स्लोली पेनिट्रेट्स इनटू द सरफेस. वो सरफेस में पेनिट्रेट होता है of the metal, और metal ions slowly dissolve into the liquid. और ये जो लिक्विड है, इस लिक्विड में मेटल आयंस क्या होते हैं, डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड टू बी दी वेट corrosion. मतलब this metal is normally kept in the liquid condition, and this liquid condition they used to penetrate inside the metal. That's why the corrosion takes place. That's why it is said to be the immersed corrosion or the wet corrosion. So today we have seen what is the definition of the corrosion, what are the different types of corrosion, and why this corrosion takes place. So always remember that ki corrosion takes place because of the two different electrodes, or you can say that two different electrolytic potential differences, that is positive, that is anode, and cathode. So if there is a you can say that difference between potential difference between cathode and anode, then the oxidation, or you can say corrosion, will takes place. So today we have seen the definition, what are the examples of the types of the corrosion, and different type of we have already discussed. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we are going to continue this topic.